Have you always dreamed of being a great artist, but your stick figures just aren't cutting it? Or maybe you just got a new iPad, or you have one collecting dust in a drawer, and you want to put it to good use. Maybe you crave a creative habit, but your busy schedule and Netflix binges are standing in the way. If any of these scenarios sound familiar, then you might be ready to kickstart your creativity with Procreate. I designed this course to help you start making art immediately. You'll get comfortable working in Procreate, learn valuable art skills, find creative inspiration, and build a sustainable creative practice, all from the comfort of your couch. This is the perfect course for complete beginners or anyone who wants to rediscover their creativity. Over the next 4 weeks, you'll complete 20 mini tutorials that focus on different subject matter themes like food, plants, animals, and objects. Each week, you'll have 5 short 15 to 20 minute drawing sessions to complete at your own pace. The goal here is to keep things simple and avoid overwhelm as you build up your skills and confidence. By the end of the course, you'll have a collection of 20 unique drawings and the foundation for a consistent creative routine. Hi, I'm Lisa Bardot, and I help people find their creativity through drawing on the iPad. You may know me from my YouTube channel where I teach people about drawing, illustration, and all things Procreate. I've helped millions of people all over the world learn new art making skills and discover their inner artist. This course is based on my experience running Making Art Every Day, a series of daily drawing prompts, tutorials, and motivation to help you overcome your creative fears and develop your art making practice. For the past 5 years, I've learned what it takes to guide beginners through creating their first artwork and building a sustainable creative habit. One of the key insights that I've gained from running Making Art Every Day is the importance of celebrating small victories in order to maintain momentum. So with that in mind, my goal for this course is to help you create drawings that will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated to continue your artistic journey. I also understand the importance of being able to see your progress as you're building a new skill. So as a student of this class, you'll receive a visual progress tracker so you can see all the artwork that you created in the course and give you a little motivational boost to keep going. For this course, we'll be using the popular drawing and painting app Procreate. I've been using Procreate for almost a decade, and I can say that no other medium I've tried has had such a positive impact on my artistic development. Procreate is intuitive, easy to use, and accessible, but has limitless potential for creativity. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your couch. No need to leave the house or buy expensive art supplies. Just grab your iPad and your Apple Pencil and let's get creating. So, are you ready to turn those stick figures into masterpieces and ignite your inner artist? I will be with you every step of the way, providing guidance and support as you kickstart your creativity with Procreate. Let's get started.